Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to a truly exceptional offering located in the heart of Portland, Jamaica. This luxurious villa presents an unparalleled lifestyle with its 11 bedrooms and 11 bathrooms, ensuring lavish comfort and privacy for both residents and guests. Boasting not one, but three kitchenettes, this villa seamlessly combines functionality with opulence. Situated on an expansive lot spanning zero point 0.7 acres, this property embodies the epitome of grandeur. The outdoor living spaces are a testament to the villa's commitment to elegance, featuring two charming gazebos that offer breathtaking views and an ideal setting for weddings and events by the poolside. The sparkling swimming pool invites you to indulge in relaxation and recreation. With attention to every detail, this villa in Portland, Jamaica is more than a home, it's an experience. Embrace a lifestyle of luxury, sophistication, and tranquility in this one of a kind residence. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 900,000 or Jamaican 138,519,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.